Wishing you a very good morning to all. My name is Abhishek Mandal and today I will discuss about the case study or you can say the business model of Uber. Uber business model is an on-demand business model which create a revolution on over the world. And do you know it first started in March 2009 and it's named as Uber Cab. And at the time of 2010, it started in Francisco named as Uber. And it created a very nice app in one touch. The app arrived at the people's locations in one tap on their smartphone. And when we talk about the company details, it comes that the founder, not only one, but there are two founders, Travis Kalanick and another is the Garrett Camp. And they are set up their headquarters at San Francisco, California. According to the 2017 news, Uber received a $11.56 billion as a funding, and now the company overall valuation is $18 billion. At the time of 2017, the number of users of Uber is 14 million and number of registered drivers are 3 lakhs above, and one day trips on Uber is 2 millions. You can think about that number, 2 millions above one day trip. The first step of this business model is creating a demand. It means request a cab. Step 2. As soon as the request 1 is complete, a notification is sent to the nearest driver of the Uber cabs. He have also choice. He can reject or he can choose your rides on the demand of your rides. In case he rejects of your order, of your request, then it will send to the another cab driver. Now step 3. Customer can track the cab, and when he sits at the cab, meter starts and he tracks on her route on the way when he will travel in the cab. It comes in the step 4. Payment and feedback options. Once the ride is over, customer gets an options to feedback the driver ratings. Now, finally comes to the point why and how Uber becomes successful. Do you know Uber solved the local taxi problem? The launch of Uber, the early adopters, word of mouth advertising, and main growth opportunity tapped by the Uber. Thank you. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Thank you.